Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another video, guys. Today I gonna create a video on types of insurance. ठीक है, types of insurance. Here is where is Google Chrome. So we're gonna type here types of insurance in world. ठीक है, all type of insurance in world. तो यहाँ पे देख लेते हैं जितनी भी टाइप्स निकलेंगी वो हमारे कीवर्ड भी बन जाएंगे और वो हमारी वीडियो भी बन जाएगी. ओके गाइस, तो हियर वी गो. इस पे मोर पे क्लिक कर लेते हैं. Here we go on Mozilla Firefox. Types of insurance. Risk is everywhere. When you drive your car to work, when you visit a new country, when you ride your bike to a nearby shop, when there a new bug going around in town. Bottom line, you need the security of insurance. There are two broad types of insurance: life insurance and general insurance. ठीक है, ये आ गया टाइप ऑफ इंश्योरेंस. ठीक हो गया. टाइप ऑफ इंश्योरेंस. ओके, लाइफ इंश्योरेंस, उसके बाद जनरल इंश्योरेंस, there is no any point of all type of insurance, but life insurance, car insurance, bike insurance, health insurance, travel insurance, home insurance, fire insurance, age insurance, here we come to a new website. Where is my this one? How and many insurance Where? We are gonna the website of we keep sheet here. So I think there. So there is life and health insurance, property and casualty. Here I put 15 types of insurance. Okay, so I think this website provide us. So how we go here? We go. Yes. We found it. So health insurance, life insurance, homeowners insurance, automobile insurance, annuities, accident insurance, disability insurance, long-term care insurance, burial insurance, pet insurance, travel medical insurance, mortgage, mortgage, mortgage insurance, renters insurance, umbrella insurance, dental insurance. Okay, so there is the type of insurance. Okay, so I think the video is gonna too much long. Complete this video that time, but I am going to create a new video on this topic. So take care. May we meet in a new video. Tata, bye bye. Allah Hafiz.